Hey friends, if you wish to check if a file is malicious or not on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Leave all other methods, I'll show you a free method. Search for this website, virus total, okay, and hit enter. We're going to virustotal.com, but you can choose it in your own manner. Click on choose file. Now go to this upload any file and wait for it to check, and then click on confirm upload. Okay, and then select this option and then clear the captcha. I know it's tedious, but then we're getting it for free. Next, motorcycle once again, and then parking meters. Is this one a parking meter? Buses. Bus. Oh god, so many captchas. Okay, we'll try again with cars. Okay, now we'll choose the file again and check if it has viruses, and then confirm the upload. It is uploading the file, and we'll check it till it reaches 100% here. Okay, it will give a file status. So it is checking the file, analyzing the file, whether it has viruses or not. If we get a green symbol, which we did here, it means that this file is absolutely free of viruses and it doesn't have malware. Now, why do I trust this website, Virus Total? Why don't I just run a Windows Defender scan? Because there are many parameters set by different antivirus companies like Symantec, Avast, Baidu, Google, Dr. Web, etc. etc. It will give a complete report for each and every standard that has been set. And if it passes all standards, then it means that the file definitely doesn't have a virus. Okay, it says 0 out of the 64 standards, means it is totally clear. This file is totally safe. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.